Ay, brother, it's not cool.
Check. Soundbar, make some noise, y'all. Who told y'all wasn't that nigga? They lied. I'm that nigga, oh my. Who told y'all wasn't that nigga? They lied. I'm that nigga, oh my, that nigga. Oh my, I'm that nigga, oh my. Who told y'all wasn't that nigga? Hold that, it ain't lying. I'm that nigga, oh my. Hey, sing with me, y'all, look at it. Ay. Sing with me, y'all. Ay. Hold on. Ay. I never did understand jealousy at all. Because I'm up and they down, they want me to fall. Turn my mic down a little bit. I'm just out here saucing and shaking, my nigga, go on. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? I'm that nigga. Oh my. I'm that nigga, don't lie. Who told y'all wasn't that nigga? They lie. I'm that nigga, oh my. Your outfit costs more than your life savings. You should pleasure. In the barbershop, spreading that energy about me. Oh Lord, they should smudge it. But when I walk in, shit gets quiet as fuck. Cause y'all niggas ain't saying nothing. Your career looks like what a trumpet should say before she gives you a number. Fuck it. Y'all like rumors and gossip, talking all day. You do, but y'all don't like the truth. You can comment however you like, but I'll be embarrassed to speak on me if I was you. I pull up on the block and then I do what I'm supposed to.
What we got is a bunch of cops lined up here in the alley. Never good. There's maybe they're waiting on the bus, but there is somebody on the ground. They did bust up that party, it looks like. That's what I get from wandering around. So they're gonna get aggro on me again. I'm gonna have to flip them off again. Something to roll tape. They're probably gonna say something stupid. Which is why I'm here.
He just hit me. You feel me? It's on court. Yeah, I see you look like that. You know he did it because that's the type of clock he is. That's the type of clock he is. Look at him, ready to pull out that night stick. It's nighttime. The devil coming out.
See how they glare at me?
You want the night stick. Yeah, take me up the road. Do what the fuck y'all gotta do. I want y'all to beat me behind cameras. You feel me? Hey! Don't let these motherfuckers take you away behind cameras, you hear me? Somebody follow me, nigga. On my mama. Because these motherfuckers ain't shit. On my mama, nigga. Real talk, because they ain't shit.
These people think I give them some kind of respect after my dog was shot. After they beat the shit out of every fucking black man and woman and everybody that they can. I don't give them no fucking respect. None.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, as we move the prisoner back, I want you to stay at least 10 feet ahead, okay?
Sure, just stay 10 feet behind me.
Stop fucking handling me. Stop fucking handling me like I'm a bitch ass nigga. Real talk, bro. Look at him like, yo, you is a nigga. You is a bitch ass nigga. Pussy. I don't give a fuck what y'all got. What y'all want to do. How y'all feel? I know racism's still going on. You know that's all. I see that strike. Real talk. I see that racism still going on. Look, on my mama, she see what's going on too. Yeah, Miss Collins and Cook. Hey, remember, still racism going on out here. You know what I'm saying? You got the officer on my right, officer on your left. You feel me? Still racist. You feel me? This man did wrong thing. He did wrong thing.
Get out of the way.
Yeah, get out the way. He did wrong things. And I don't want that shit to happen to y'all.
I need your name.
Please identify yourself.
Good job.
What's up, buddy? Hey, you trying to push me on the fucking shit. Oh, just got me on my hands, bro. Hey, dude. This bitch got me, bro. Got me on my legs, bro. Got me on my hands, bro. No, bro, I just go back there. Get control now, bro. My hands hurt. That shit hurt. I need a give me a sight. He might go to sight. He might go to sight. He got my fucking head. I know the fucking head. I know the fucking head. Oh shit! Fuck me up. I just do shit. Yeah.
Nothing's awesome.
Damn.
Yeah, he's hurt himself all right.
Right. He hit me on my face. He hit me on my face.
Damn. What is he
Kick him?
doing to him?
Was he kicking him?
We got one out here. They can't get him in that shit.
They shoved him already up against the side of up against the door, and then he's bitching because he says they hit him in the face and him in the eye. He's trying to exercise his rights, but you see how that works for black people exercising their rights. They know there's cameras here, so they had killed him by now.
Yeah.
At least tased them multiple. They don't tase to control, they tase to torture.
Yes.
Just keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. I've been tased. So this is a level 1 response to resistance, or at least level 2, and they should be getting SIU out here to do an investigation, and they should call medical. I guarantee you they won't do any of that, even though that's APD policy. They just do whatever the fuck they want. So where his head is. Can't tell what the fuck is going on.
All of them is getting up.
Uh-oh, look out, guys.
Yo, hey.
What are you doing?
Hey, watch this thing up, man.
What are you doing?
Hey, watch this.
What did you do? Grab my arm.
Watch this. Fucking racist. I don't give a fuck what y'all think. Watch this, man.
Zip tied around his ankles.
This man ain't about shit.
Handcuffed around his ankles and hands.
You did that, bro. I did stop peeking.
What did you do?
Did that shit.
Stop kicking your feet.
Fuck that.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I did that shit. Come on, man. Get in the car. Yo, this kid me, man. Yo,
Move your foot. Somebody might missing transport. Yeah. I'll say what? Somebody might add a missing charge. Hey, he kicked his leg. Hey, bro, just watch out for traffic behind you. Out. Shut it.
Put your foot down.
Holy shit. Holy shit. I hope each of you put up that much of a fight when you're falsely arrested by these fucking pigs. It's Black. Austin.
Hey, you just want to get it tomorrow? They're rolling. You see those barriers down there? I did, yeah.
But it's not just black people that are going to be targeted nowadays. When there's not enough black people around, you're next. First it was them, now it's you.
Is this like for documentary or just like?
Yeah. I film the cops beating people up all the time. Mostly black people and women. Yeah. Yeah. He don't look good. He's been beaten up, fighting these damn cops for like 45 minutes now. Something about a warning. Well, I hope they don't drive off somewhere and kill that guy on the back road, because they're pretty pissed off at him. But at least we got documentary that he was taken in. Your number's 1813. 2 officers in the front. I thought they were going to release him with a warning, but definitely not. They said something about a warning and broken window.
Back there. This way?
That'd be a guy that you'd want to follow. They should be taking him to EMS right now. They should take him to the hospital. Beating the shit out of him for a fucking hour.
No, I'm not going to.
Namaste, y'all. Be safe. Film the police.